If you are looking for Kingdom Builders toys, here's a collection you've got to see. At any time you like, just click this banner and get real-time deal on your favorite products. Number 1, welcome to Kingdom Builders, where you have the power to build your kingdom, bash it down, and remodel it any way you like, by Kingdom Builders. Number 2, Kingdom Builders Sledgehammer of Head. Turn into a hammer, another great product by Kingdom Builders. Number 3. Let's play. Just click this link below and choose your favorite toy. Number 4, Kingdom Builders Lady Twist. Turn into a screwdriver. Number 5, by Queen Games. For more info click the banner below. Number 6, by Kingdom Builders. Get these great online offers now. Click this banner for real-time deals and updates. Number 7, by Little Tykes. Number 8, by Queen Games. For more info about these great online offers, click this banner in the corner. Number 9, by Think Fun. Number 10, by Little Tykes.